Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today we're going to go outside and I'm going to start decorating the outside of our house for Halloween. I don't go too crazy on the inside of my house for Halloween. I typically just leave that for like fall, Thanksgiving kind of theme, but on the outside I do decorate. So we have some skeletons, spiders, spider webs, things like that. So I have a lot to do. I'm going to get it all done today because I have rain coming in tomorrow. They said rain was going to come in today while I'm filming this, but luckily it held out and did not rain. It was actually really hot and the sun was shining at times. I couldn't believe that it's actually fall. It feels like summer, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get everything decorated and all the lights turned on, plugged in, all that kind of stuff. And then later on, whenever it turns nighttime, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all lit up.
This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move on.
So I had a little help from my daughter today. She was kind of helping me stretch out the spiders. Earlier, I was trying to get my skeleton to not fall over. We gave her a name last year of Britney, so we all call her Britney. It just kind of stuck. But I was trying to get her to sit up and stay sitting up. Eventually, later on, I take some like fishing line and I tie it around her waist and around the tree so she's all secure and she won't fall over. But what I did now is I just put our spiders on the windows. I didn't have lights last year. I just went with the spider webs, but this year I thought it would be neat to add a little bit of light to where the spiders are, and to later on I'm going to put spider webs all over the brick. So I actually really like the way it turned out. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it because I have the lights up kind of high, but the way that our brick is and the siding, I had to put them there, but it turned out just fine.
No worries, no doubts. This is my time to bring it. We'll move all night. No worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me out. I'll never come down, down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me? Hey boy, do you see me? Hey boy, do you see me over here? Like what you're getting? You can't get enough, can't get enough. This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night. No worries, no doubts. This is my time to bring it. We'll move all night. No worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me out. I'll never come down, down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me?
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start spreading the spider webs all across the brick. I literally don't have this held up with anything else other than it sticks to the brick really well. So I'm just spreading it all out and just kind of making it really thin to where it attaches itself to the brick. And eventually, like when all the leaves fall and the wind blows and stuff, it blows the leaves into the spider web, which makes it look even more real, and it looks really cool. It looks like, it's a real spider web. So now I'm just spreading it all out. Later on, I'm going to come and I'm going to attach these little bitty spiders all through it. So it just kind of looks like there's, the big spiders up at the top and then little baby spiders at the bottom.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the
So the other idea that I had that did not work very well at all, or it worked well, but it just didn't look good. If I had like a covered patio or something like that, it would probably look a lot better. But I wanted to take these witch hats and hang them kind of like at different lengths right underneath like where our soffit is. And I wanted to attach some lights on the inside of them so they kind of glow at night. But I hung the first one and I just did not like it. I didn't like the way it looked. It wasn't how I envisioned in my head. So I just told my husband, you know what, let's just nix that because I don't care for it. I don't like it. So I went ahead and had him put the spider in the middle of this window because those bushes right there are extremely pokey and they will poke in your skin. Just like here, I'm trying to get all the little pieces off of him. So he took one for the team, went back there and put the spider up so I didn't have to climb back there.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing.
So originally I asked my daughter if she would go over there and use the fishing line and attach Britney to the tree so she wouldn't fall over. And I was watching the footage back whenever I was editing this and I was dying laughing because the way she is handling her and she's falling all over the place. Britney is very stubborn and she has an attitude, so she would not work for her and wouldn't go like bend and get in the position that she wanted. So she stuck with it for a little bit and I think she just eventually just gave up and was like, Mom, you're gonna have to do this because I can't do it. She keeps falling over.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around.
Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope it gave you some ideas on how to decorate your outside for Halloween. I have a lot of fun doing this. Halloween's not my favorite holiday. Christmas definitely is, but I do have fun while I'm decorating and I get into the spirit of everything, and I like the Halloween music and all that kind of stuff. So I hope this gave you some motivation to get out and get your stuff done, and I hope you can do it while it's kind of feels good outside and it's not too hot and not too cold or rainy. But if you liked today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you get notified every single time I upload, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.